So we are at El Super, trying to make you look super with your skin quality.
I don't have anything. Christina Marie just told me, hey, we're gonna be making this video. We need some B-roll and stuff in the background. I said, let's go into the grocery store. So we started chatting, and she's an awesome chick. You guys will never know, but she is. And I said, this would be the best part of the video. Let's turn the camera on and not show people the Mexican candy
Not show all the
us.
candy, but show
She said, shoot over here.
all the fruits and vegetables.
So we're gonna show everyone out there exactly what's going on, and we hope you enjoy it.
What the freak is this? Garbanzo fresco.
She didn't say freak before we started recording.
That's the raw garbanzo. That's what it said? Fresco. Yeah, garbanzo fresco. That's a green garbanzo bean. What am I supposed to do with a green garbanzo?
Make green hummus out of that.
With a raw garbanzo bean?
Go ahead.
Okay, here's the garbanzo fresco. Let's see. Shit. Where'd it go?
Lucky bean. She likes it.
Tastes very green, but it's not bad.
If it's so good, why don't you have 6 more?
Because I gotta pay for them first.
Okay. All right.
But we're gonna get some of this. Okay. Anthony says that if you're on your ... this is the best stuff for pain relief. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I have 2 special guests here. We are talking about anti-aging. This is
Anthony, who was not paying attention.
He wasn't paying attention, but it's okay.
Sorry.
We'll forgive him. And this is
Maria from Spilling the Beans.
Yes, and we're gonna do some anti-aging foods for you guys, so we look as young as Anthony looks.
I was looking over there. Are we?
I'm just not interesting to him, I guess.
No,
you know?
you're very attractive and charming, Christina Marie.
Anyways, I tell Anthony he is the 29-year-old teenager because his skin quality is amazing, and he's gonna teach us, me, and Maria's gonna help as well, how to look as young as he does. So
awesome.
Well, I'll try.
We're gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what we're doing.
Go.
Just kidding.
That's a ceramic knife. That's the appropriate way to dispose of.
This is a really nice knife, but that's not what we're here to talk about.
Spouses.
So how are you gonna get me to look youthful?
No, girlfriends, you know. No. Well, today we are talking about sulforaphane, which is something that comes from broccoli, and actually. See, you've just created it there, and you've also made a mess on your hair.
Do I look young, though?
Yeah, your hair looks very young. No,
gorgeous,
so
gorgeous
basically,
hair.
when you take the 2 kind of cell walls of the broccoli, there's 2 different chambers. And when you bite into them, it's supposed to be a deterrent to any animal so they don't eat broccoli. That's broccoli's defense, but unfortunately it doesn't work, and broccoli tastes good to many people, such as the lovely Christina here. Can we hear a little bit about that brooch? No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so when these 2 things from the 2 chambers combine, they make sulforaphane, and this is the best thing in the world. Who cuts a banana like that? Okay, no, we'll go with it. We're live.
We are shooting live.
But the sulforaphane, it basically prevents DNA damage and repairs DNA, which in a way is going to slow down aging. And it's also going to help you reverse some of the DNA damage you have. It's going to help keep your telomeres, which are these really long things that are like shoelaces, and they're on the ends of strands of DNA, and they slowly unwind, and eventually when they're all gone, you are too. So you want to keep those long, you want to add to the length of them. I will also point out that what we're doing here with the broccoli cannot overcome bad habits. So while the broccoli will give you the sulforaphane and it's something you want to have in your diet, if you've got animal products in there, if you're not doing that whole food plant-based vegan thing, this is not going to do anything. It'd be like if you smoked cigarettes and then said, okay, and then I'm going to eat some broccoli, to think that maybe that's going to counter-effect the cigarettes.
But what if I like had the broccoli in like every single day and like a minimum amount of beef?
Okay, well, I mean, the thing is with beef, in terms of the DNA damage, no, it's not going to work. But in terms of other health issues, yeah, I think you can have about 6 ounces of beef over maybe a 2-week period, and it really won't have any health side effects. But that's also saying that you don't have saturated fat from any other animal product, dairy, fish, anything like that in the same time frame. She cuts the banana in a way I've never seen before, and now she's doing this thing with the cup.
Look, You Mexicanos out there know
Yeah,
exactly
I know
what
about
I'm
that.
doing.
I know about that.
Okay, this
Not
must
a
be-
This is
problem.
the thing. Do you see, like, look how it all came off.
Yep, yep.
And you
I
know
know
what?
about that.
I love Anthony, and I know he's total vegan, and he's like vegan, yes, vegan, which, you know, I do have to admit, there are so many health benefits of vegan, but I'm not vegan. This is just the truth. But
Right.
I am trying to go healthier, and when he said that broccoli has collagen, I was like, I'm on board.
Right, well, okay, so this is a good thing to do even if you don't want to go vegan, because it might not help with, you know, your DNA damage, repair, whatever, as much, but I mean, there's still other benefits to broccoli. I mean, there's a lot of iron in there, there's calcium in there. I mean, leafy greens, this is where iron and calcium comes from. People will say to me, where do you get your protein? Well, I get it from plants like this. There's not much in there, and they ask me where I get my iron, where I get my calcium. It's great for that.
And he has a lot of protein, by the way, guys, like
Yeah.
200.
200 grams a day, they bring it right to my house. No, they don't bring it to my house. I bring it to my house from the grocery store. They come in a big truck.
His butler's like, sir, may I help you today?
My butler, he's 12. He's from Singapore, but we keep that hush-hush. Anyway, like I was saying, you know, a lot of people are vitamin C deficient, so with the broccoli, you're still going to get the vitamin C. You're still going to get fiber. Something like 94% of people on the standard Western diet are fiber deficient from day to day, and that's one of the big things the world could do to get rid of disease, much more fiber.
Hey, did you know that? Oh, well, I don't know if this is true, but
Wow.
Alejandro.
Very surprised.
Oh, Alejandro, my son, you guys seen Alejandro, said that broccoli is actually a man-made vegetable.
Why did I think she was going to say Viagra? Didn't it sound like rewind it?
Really? I don't know where his
Double tap
mind
this.
is.
No, I'm just saying that's what it sounded like. My mind's not there, but I don't know about that.
We know what he's thinking of.
Yeah, I'm thinking about how good this smoothie's going to be.
Okay, so in our smoothie, let's get back to this beautiful smoothie. We have broccoli, a half a banana, and two, what are these called, Maria? What kind of mangoes are these? These are not the liquid.
Those are Atolfo mangoes.
Yes, and 2 mangoes.
AKA little mangoes.
They're really good, you guys know.
Those are the mangoes that Mexicans eat more than the others.
Mm-hmm.
You find them way more than you do the other big monstrosities. And if you ask any Mexican from like Mexico, they prefer them because they're sweeter.
Right?
You know, they are sweeter. So, but for some weird reason, Americans like the big ass mangoes. But honestly, these are like this. If you really like sweet mango, these are the mangoes to get. They're Atolfos, and they're typically cheaper than the other ones because they aren't as much in demand.
All right now, but last week I was in rough shape.
A little bitter, or what?
A little bit. Got ex-girlfriends that are less bitter than that. Hey, we've got some chia seeds here, which this gentleman off camera just handed us.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, so are we going to put the chia seeds in like that, or afterwards?
Excuse me, I'm trying to recover. No, it's good. No, you just put them in now.
And how much chia seeds are you actually supposed to
I
use?
would usually put about maybe 3 tablespoons in there.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
Okay, no, Maria's the cooking expert, guys.
No.
See,
For
this is
me,
what
because I'm allergic to chia seeds.
Oh,
so
okay.
that's why to me it's a lot. But that's because, you know, if you can eat chia seeds, it's great.
I hate chia seeds.
Wait a minute, let me do this, because I don't hear.
Okay, I hate chia seeds.
There you go.
But I'm going to do it just for you.
Happy New Year.
Chia seeds are very healthy if you can eat them. I don't have them much because, like I said, I have found myself to
that
be very
much.
allergic to
They
them.
look like bugs, don't they? Look like little tiny bugs.
No, bugs are myth. They don't exist.
But we can eat bugs.
Those are all chia seeds.
Okay, so we're going to grind this up and see.
Now let me talk a little bit about the chia seeds. There's good protein in there.
Chia.
I think, yeah, this is the same stuff you'd put on the little head to make it grow.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You got that bald Dick Cheney head statue in the corner of the house. You put it on there. All of a sudden, he looks like Richard Simmons. All right. So anyway, good protein in here. Not that many calories. About 60 calories maybe per tablespoon, something like that. Somebody check me on that online. These things are also good for thickening things up because as they soak up liquid, they will turn liquid into a gel. You can use these as egg replacements for baking if maybe you didn't want to have eggs in there because, I don't know, you're vegan or you don't like the...
Or trying to get more healthy.
Right, you don't want cancer and diabetes and...
Or trying to get more healthy. Or more youthful looking skin.
Great omegas.
Yeah. So
Yes! For your skin, omega.
Omegas as well. As a matter of fact, what they've started doing is putting this in chicken feed so then they can tell people, you know, the eggs have omega-3s.
Oh.
But again, just like calcium and iron and vitamin C and all this other stuff, you can pass it through the animal and then you can get it, or you can get 100% of it before they give it to the animal. This is a much healthier omega-3 than, say, fish oil and all of that nonsense which you shouldn't have.
Now see, they're trying to like educate you guys on like the whole vegan part of it.
They know.
But I'm like anti-aging.
Right.
I'm like beauty. I'm like omega-3, skin. Okay,
Listen.
broccoli, skin, collagen.
I'm going to tell you the whole deal. A healthy, whole food, plant-based diet does the same thing for the inside of your body that it does the outside. So everything inside your body isn't going to age as fast. It's the same thing for your skin. This is the absolute best thing you can do.
So can I put my little like weenies in here and get the protein as well?
Oh my God.
Yeah, you probably could. Those disgusting
just kidding
things.
with
No,
you.
you know what she's saying? What she's saying right now is that will be a future video that she's making, and she's looking forward to it.
No, guys, I showed him the little baby weenies. You know what I'm talking about. The little
Vienna sausages.
Yes, but the baby ones. And he read the ingredients. He was like, it's just like ground chicken and milk.
There's milk in there with
Yeah,
whey protein.
yeah.
So it's a chicken skin with milk inside.
No, I'm just kidding. We got our protein right here. We're gonna like put this on the Vitamix and see.
And I will point out that
See if
it
it's
might
good.
be a good idea that we're going to put some kind of liquid in there. You want to put some type of milk, hopefully not an animal milk, but some type of milk or water or maybe some apple juice.
Okay, so what kind of juice are we putting in here, Maria?
We are going to find out.
I've got water and I've got almond milk. I don't really have any juices at the moment.
Okay, guys, we're gonna try some water, and we'll be right back.
Or almond milk, but we'll be right back.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Recording?
Okay, we changed our mind. We're actually gonna go with the almond milk. And then we're gonna blend this up and see if it is delicious or not. That's a lot of milk.
Yeah, it is. Well,
This is
And
a
before we
smoothie
go-
for 3 people.
Before we go, Christina Marie's going to chug this thing. Go
That's
ahead.
right. Here we go.
Take a knee.
Not.
Okay, stay with us. We'll be back.
Yes, we are.
Okay, guys, here's the final taste test. You guys can see how it's pretty green looking. It's like a light colored green. It did make 3.
Right. So invite your next door neighbor over. You know the good thing about this video? We never actually touch. It's just, we maybe weren't even in the same room at the same time. They'll never know.
Cheers to better health, to
Cheers.
better skin. Wow. Yeah, you know what? Like the mango, you can still taste the broccoli.
It's good.
But it's not near as pungent as it drinking it straight up.
And I think also, you could always put more banana in there. Maybe the other banana. You could put a little bit less broccoli.
Yeah. No, more broccoli for the collagen.
Okay, that's true. More broccoli for the collagen.
Yes.
Does broccoli have collagen?
Yeah. That's
Okay,
what,
I'll take her word for it.
Alvin said it did. He teaches anatomy and physiology.
Okay, he's a very passionate guy, so I'm going to take his word for it.
This actually is not bad.
You could put a couple of dates in here. Or,
Oh, some dates would taste
right?
really good.
Really.
Yeah, but this is really good, guys. So I'm trying to help everybody look more youthful, stay healthy this year. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Switch to that side. Back to back, doing it.
Back to back.
Charlie's Angels. Yes, we
Wait,
hope
it was
you.
like.
I don't know. But I'm tall. I didn't squat. I'm the one that Charlie said he didn't want me. I said, why not? He said, well, you're a little, you know. He told me he just wanted hot chicks, but not to say anything. Anyway, we will be back.
Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. My friend here will actually be making his own channel very soon on healthy, nutritional things that are good for you.
And I'm guessing the description will be in the video thing below, and you'll click the link and you'll find my future channel.
That's
and
right.
Thank you for inviting me, Christina Marie.
Yep, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.